ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
attending, ma'am.
You're attending. Let me share my screen. Just tell me if you're able to see it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Highlighter, you are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So today's class, let us take up some kind of recap on the binary search tree. What is binary search tree? Anybody?
Ma'am, binary tree means
Binary search
parent
tree
node.
is different. Binary tree is different. I'm asking you binary search tree.
Okay.
Really? Come on. See, binary search tree means last video session we have seen what is took a recap on what is a tree, what are the different types of trees, and we also saw a couple of examples on the different types of trees. So today in this session we will take again a recap on. We have done all these video sessions. I have actually uploaded, but then since we have completed up to hashing, I thought we can again revise these concepts. So binary search tree means, binary tree means what? Binary tree means any tree which is having a root node and it is going to have two subtrees are called as a binary tree. In that we saw different types of trees. We saw what is a binary tree, we saw what is strictly binary tree, we saw complete binary tree, almost complete binary tree, skewed binary tree. So all these examples we have seen in the last session. Binary search tree is actually a slightly a different kind of tree. Binary search tree is also a binary tree, which means it has a root node and then it also has two subtrees. If you observe here, this is the root node. 100 is the root node here, and then you have two subtrees, which is this is one subtree, and then you have this one becomes another subtree. Okay, now what is the difference then in case of what to say binary search tree? The entire left subtree will have elements which are less than the root node, and the entire right subtree will have elements which are greater than the root node. Now, if you see in this particular tree, 100 is the value of the root node. When you come look into the left subtree, we have 50, 25, 90, 80. All these are less than 100. Again, when you look into the right subtree, we have everything that is greater than 100. So we have 200, 150, 180, 300. So the entire right subtree is greater than 100. Such a tree, you call it as a binary search tree. Again, here if you see 50 is, when you look into the left subtree alone, 50 is the root here. Below 50, again, if you look into the left subtree of 50, everything that is on the left side of 50 should be less than 50. So we have 25. Everything that is on the right side of 50 should be greater than 50. So you have 90 here. Again, left of 90 should be less than 90. So we have 80. But this 80 overall, it should be less than, everything should be less than 100. So again, if you look at the right subtree, here you have 200. Anything that is right of 200 will be greater than 200. Anything that is left of 200 will be less than 200. So if you see here, left of 200, you have 150. Right of 200 is 300. Again, left of 150 you don't have. Right of 150 is greater than 150, which is again 180. But overall, the entire right subtree is greater than 100. So that is what you call it as a binary search tree. Given the root node, all the left nodes or the left subtree should have values less than the root node. All the right subtree or the right nodes should have value greater than the root node value, which is 100 in this example. Any doubts? Now, let us take another example. If you observe here, this is an example of another binary search tree wherein you have the root node is 500. So root node is 500 here. The entire left subtree, if you observe, this is the whole of left subtree, correct? So we have this whole thing is a left subtree. I'm just trying to mark it. This whole thing is a right subtree. So here what happens, anything that is on the left side of the root node will have value, I said, less than the root node. So what is root node here? Root node is 500. So if you look into the left subtree of this tree, 300, 150, 450, 50, 200, 350, 480, all these are less than 500. Whereas when you look at the right subtree, all are greater than 500. So you have 800, 600, 550, 650, 810, 950, 900. So all these are greater than 500. Again, 300, if you take 300 as one of the node, all that is left of 300 will be less than 300. If you observe here, all that is right of 300 will be greater than 300. So if you observe here, 300, you have left of 300 is 150, 50, 200. All are less than 300. Greater than right side of 300, if you observe, we have 450, 350 and 480. But overall, the whole of this set of nodes is going to be less than 500. Again, if you look at the right side, the whole of this right side is greater than 500, 800, 600, 900, every value is greater than 500. Again, if you look at this part alone, 800, this is 800, correct? Left of this 800 is all less than 800. Right of this 800 is all greater than 800. But overall, everything is greater than 500. So this is what you call it as the binary search tree. All the left subtree nodes on the left subtree will be less than 500. All the nodes on the right subtree will be greater than the value of the root node, right? Are you listening? Nobody is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I will give you some trees. I want you all to do some kind of find out the traversals and all that stuff. Okay. Have some paper pen with you. Possible? Bring it. Okay. Next, if you look into this, what are the different BST operations? Now, when we talk about the operations that can be done on BST is nothing but the binary search tree. Now, when you talk about the operations that can be done on the binary search tree, we have insertion or creation, that is one important operation. Then we have what is called as the traversal. Traversal is again a very important operation. There are three. What is traversal? Traversal is nothing but it's a method of visiting each node of a tree exactly once in a certain order. Okay, so that means there are so many nodes, there may be so many nodes in a tree. You are going to visit every node at least once, exactly once, not at least once. You are visiting the node, every node of the tree is visited exactly once in a systematic order. So what are the different traversal techniques? We have in-order traversal, we have pre-order traversal, and we have post-order traversal. So how, given a tree, how can you do an in-order traversal? How can you do a pre-order traversal? And how can you do a post-order traversal? That is what we are going to see. Now, when I say in-order traversal, can anybody tell me what is in-order traversal? Any answers? Anyone? What is in-order traversal?
Ma'am, gives nodes in non-decreasing order.
No. Not at all.
Sequentially, ma'am.
Yeah?
Sequentially.
No. See, I'll get back to the, no. They are all, what you are saying is completely wrong. So when I say in-order traversal, okay, what we are going to do is, I'm just typing here so that you can see. In case of, are you all able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. In-order traversal means you are going to first traverse the left subtree, okay, and then you will process the, or traverse the root node, or we call it as process the root node, right? And then we go for traversing the right subtree. That means we are going to use left, root, right. This is the order in which the traversals are done in case of this in-order traversal. In case of in-order traversal, we traverse the left subtree, we process the root node, and then we traverse the right subtree. That is left, root, right. That is your in-order traversal. And when we talk of pre-order traversal, in case of pre-order, these important things you have to remember, otherwise it becomes difficult. Pre-order, what we said, yeah, pre-order traversal means first we will process the root. First process the root node, then comes the left subtree, then comes the right subtree. This is your pre-order. We are going in this particular order. Pre means the root will come before left and right. You can remember like that. In means what? In between. So the root will come in between the left and right. So that's why you call it as in order. We also have post order. Post order means post. So that means first will be left, and then you are going to traverse the right, and then we are going to traverse the root. So post order means root should come afterwards. Pre order means root should come before left and right. In order means root should come in between left and right. That is how you try to remember what is a in order, pre order, and post order traversal. Okay. Now, let us take some examples and I will show you how it is done. Are you able to see this tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How do you write a in order, pre-order, and post-order traversal for this? Anybody can try? And can you put it in the chat window? Possible? I'll give you some time. I want you all to write the in order, pre-order, and post-order for this. If you don't know, leave it. I will teach you right away. If you know, I want you to do it. Nishant, you are able to do? If anybody is doing, let us first start with in order. If anybody is able to do the in order traversal, can you please post it in the chat? Let me see. Write the in order of traversal of this tree. Anyone? Nishant is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're able to write the in order traversal for the given tree?
Ma'am, trying, ma'am.
Yeah, try. Anybody who has tried, put it on the chat. In order, I think somebody has put it G, D, H, B, A, E. No, this is somewhere you have gone wrong, Ashok. It's not right. G, D, H, B, A, E, I, C, F. Okay, let us see other answers. Ashok, I think you'll have to look into it, relook into it. Try and see where you went wrong, I think. Sunil, are you trying? Akash?
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying, ma'am.
Yeah, try. Ashok? Yeah, you have to look into it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, when we talk about in order, I said it is left, root, and then right. Okay. So what we have to do is, yeah. So what we are doing, first we are going with those who have not followed. Can listen to me. In order is left, root, and right. So first I should start with my left subtree. Okay. So again, recursively we have to do this. Left, then I will come to root, then I will come to my right. So when I start at my left, again first I should look into the recursively I will do. So again, left, root, and then right. So if I do that, B is my root in that case. This will be my left. Again, I'll have D is my root in that. Left of D is G. Okay, so first I will start with G. Okay. So first I will start with G. G is my left. And then we have to do what? Root. This is your left. Come to root. Root is what? D. For this G, it is D. So I will write D. Next, I have H. Left, root, right. Okay. So I will write H. Again, I'll go back recursively. So this part I have done. G, D, and H, that part I have done. I'll go back here. B is the root. I've done with this left. Next is root. So B I will write. I don't have right for B. So I'll go up one more level. So I'm done with the entire left subtree. Next is processing the root node, which is A. And then I'll come to the right side. Again in right, I have to follow left, root, right. This is my root. This is left. So I will write, next would be E. E has no left. So I will simply write E. No left. I wrote the root, that is E. Next is right. So which is I. So left is not there, root right is over. So I'll go ahead, go back to the previous level. So here what will happen? We have C. Okay. Root. Left of C is over. Now I'll go to the root, which is C. Right of C is F. So this would become your in-order traversal for the given tree. Any doubts? Have all of you done that? BAEICF. Nishant has gone wrong. Ashok also, again you are wrong, Ashok. Akash also. Maithili is right. Did you follow what I said at least?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Now let us go to the next try. Let us first learn only in order, then we'll come to pre-order and post-order. Is that fine, or you want for a particular tree you want to do everything? How shall we take it up? Okay, we will finish only in order. Then we will take up pre-order and post-order. Okay. Let us go to the next example. Yes. Can you try for this now? This tree, please try what is in order. I am asking you to do only in order. Don't go for others. Put it in the chat window. I'll give you some time. Left, first you have to process left, then root, then right. That has to be followed recursively throughout. D, B, E, A, F, C, G. Let's wait for other answers, Ashok. Others can also try, please. Only in order I'm asking. First you have to process the left, then the root, then the right, and this has to go on recursively. Finish all the left in that order only. Others, are you trying? Rashmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try. Sunil, what are you doing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sunil,
Trying, ma'am.
try. Nishant, Akash. Why I'm not getting any response?
Ma'am, I shared in the chat, ma'am.
Where I am not able to see. Right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry. Yes. D, B, E, A, F, C, G is right actually. Good. Ashok has got it right. Maithili got it right. Nishant also got it right. Rashmi got it right. Akash got it right. Sunil, what are you doing? I didn't hear from you. Yes. Fine. Okay. Good. All of you. Take up the next one. Put up one more tree. Try for that. In order alone. Try in order for that tree and post it in the chat. Okay, Akash has given some answer. BDA, BDAG, EC, okay. Right. Sunil is wrong. Then I think Akash is wrong. BDA GCHFI is right. Sunil, where you went wrong? Sunil and even Akash is actually wrong. GC Ashok is right. Okay, see here, what will happen? You are going into left root and right, correct? So this is A is the root. When I come to the left of it, B and D is the left subtree. In that, again, I should go for left root right. So there is no left for this B. So directly I'll start with root, that is B. So B and then right D. Okay, so I've done with the left. So next I'll go to A. So next is A, B, D, A. Again I'll come to the right side. Again in the right side I have to follow left root right. So I'll come to the left, again left. So I have G here, G. There is no right, G and then root is E. There is no right there. So G, E. Then left is over. Go to the root. So it is C. Root is done. Come to the right. Again left root right. H, F, I. That's how it is. So I think why you went wrong, Sunil? Why you went wrong? Sunil and Akash, both of you are wrong. It's okay. Yeah, you missed something there. Sunil also. Yeah, take the next one. Need not always be characters. We can have numbers. Try for this in order.
And screen has gone black.
Blanca.
Yeah, it's come back now.
Okay. Post it in the chat. Is anyone? Good. Somebody has put it. Let me check. So 30, 43, 44, 48, 56, 57, 66, 84, 91. Okay. Good. Ashok, you have gone wrong again. Rest of you are right. 30, 43, 44, 48, 56, 57, 66, 84, 91. Okay, that's the answer. The rest is wrong. Why, Ashok, why you went wrong, ma? Check again.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
43, why you have taken twice? I think there are number of nodes you have put in here are more, is it not? 30 also, 30, 40, or is it a typing mistake?
Typing mistake, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Yeah, take the next one. Left, root, and right. In order.
Ma'am, shared.
Yeah, okay, I see. Akash has shared it. Let me see. 310. Okay. 8, 10, 19, 30, 38. Fine. Good. Others? Okay. Maithili, I think Nishant, you are wrong. I feel Nishant and Rashmi. Maithili is right. 3, 10, 17, 25, 30, 32, 38, 40, 50, 78, 93. All right, but then I think Rashmi and Nishant, both of you are wrong.
Ma'am, I posted again, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay. See, one thing you should all remember is whenever we talk of in order, okay, you will always be in a ascending order. Always. When you write the in order of a tree, it will always be in a sorted ascending order, or I mean sorted order basically. See here, we started with 3, 10, 17, 25, 30, 32, 38, 40, 50, 78, 93. It's all in the sorted order, is it not? So once you are not in sorted order, that itself shows you can for yourself identify that you have gone wrong somewhere. Because for example, Nishant had written 3, 17, and 10. That's wrong. That itself it shows it is wrong because you can't have 17 and then have 10. Am I clear to you all? So that is actually an indication of in order. In order will always be in the sorted order. So that itself is a, once it comes in sorted order, we can be sure we are right. Okay. Keep that in mind. Yeah. One more. Can we try? One second. Can you see this? 59, 41. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please do that. 23, 29, 41, 43, 45, 59, 70, 78, 79. 23, okay. Yeah, good. That doesn't mean you should write it off in sorted order. That will become wrong, okay? Don't be in that kind of thing. 23, all of you have done it right. Good. Take just one more example and then we'll go to the next one. Take up this. Do that. Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
29, yeah, 31, 43, 57, 58, 63, 69, 80, 86. Good. That's right. All of you have done it right, I guess. Okay. Yeah, good. Then tomorrow's session probably we'll take up pre-order, post-order. And after that, the most important thing is, given the traversal, how to construct a tree. Now what we are doing is, given the tree, we are trying to write what is the traversal, correct? So we should also learn how, given the traversal, how we can construct a tree. Probably, so that we will try to take it up in the next session. And tomorrow, lab internals, I think all of you know what is the syllabus and all that. So come prepared for your lab internals. We'll be having it from 9:30. Okay, for batch B1, B2, I think tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, B1, B2. You have any queries on lab internals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫೈಲ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡೆಮೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿನಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್
ಎಸ್
ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಮೋ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೊದ್ಲೇ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಡೆಮೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ DS ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಸ್ DS ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ HOD.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸಾರಿ.
Anyway, no problem. I was just that's on the lighter side. Any doubt
DS?
on DS? How I think 6 programs. I think I've also mentioned what are the programs that we have tomorrow. Correct. So come prepared. Let us see how we can take it up. Okay. And 9:30 to 12:50, that B1, B2 batch, I'll be sharing the link, but I will have my own way of conducting it, which I will reveal only tomorrow, not now. All right. So you be anyway, all of you be prepared by 9:30 for the lab interviews. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So next session we will be taking up this pre-order and post-order, and as I told, how to construct a tree given the traversal. That is very important, and how to search, how to delete. That is also very important. So we'll all take that up. Probably we'll go a little slow, one by one. We can take it up in the one session now. tomorrow session probably we'll have lab internals. Maybe after that we can have a session on tree traversals. All right. So if you all have no queries, then probably I'll end this meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.